Welcome back to Westbridge Hills. You're finally getting around to Wee-ha! There's a trick you don't see every day. Just finally getting around to selling the silage. Ooh, let's scoot up a little more there. And I tried using my loading wagon there to see if it would help to make things go faster, but nope. You know, one thing I have not tried. Let's go back to the farm and pick up my other trailer. And if this works, it'll make the job go a lot faster. Alright, we're going to see if this idea works. You should have seen this tractor before I put the weight on it, trying to lift this thing up. Full of silage. Yeah, that was a wonderful sight. It just took the whole back end right off the ground. I tell you, the unloading speed of that is not very fast. But get this, the loading speed of it is really super fast. That seemed to go quicker than the first one did. Ooh, I wish there was a faster way. This is gonna take me a minute. Whoops, let's go forward there, buddy. Can you believe I don't even remember how much this trailer holds? It's at 53%. Nice. And I had over 10,000 liters or so. I think it was 10,000 liters. I hope it was 10,000 liters. But anyways, I had a lot of silage in the pit, and yes, with this little bucket, it's gonna be a while. So I can, oh, I don't know, put it on a, I could put it on a time lapse. I mean, you guys probably seen many FS players do this all the time, and you probably already know what it's consisting of and blah blah blah. So, but yeah, I can throw this on a time lapse. But first, let me check and see how much is in the trailer. 89%. I wonder if it's going to be one more. Alright, we'll see you when the job's done. First off, I'd like to tell you folks, good luck getting that little tune out of your head. We might actually cut this silage or silage, however you pronounce it, selling session a little short. And I don't know why I keep saying, oh, just over 10,000, because if you look at my how much I have in here, I have over 60,000 still liters. And so yeah, I couldn't really tell you why had said that. So let's go make this be their last thing of silage to sell. Okay, we'll just go down this silo area. And we can continue selling the silage other days. So if it doesn't all get sold in this episode, you know, we're just gonna leave some fun for another time. So no biggie. But with as much as I've put in here so far, and with as much as still in the bunker itself, I wouldn't be surprised if I go out and buy a $150,000 field and as I continue selling the silage to go and be able to make at least another $100,000, at least. Maybe 120, 130, I don't know. So, but I do know we can start getting some cows. But right now we gotta wait for the wheat field to is it ready to harvest now? It is. Would you look at that? Ooh, time to try out my new header. So let's get on down there, grab the harvester, and yes, those two other tractors are still at field 5 from the last episode. So I'm probably gonna switch back to one of those tractors, get one going. For now I can park this trailer here. Get this tractor parked up in here. This will probably be the one coming back because it's got the cultivator on it. You know what, let's get this worker out of here. Where I have to come back for the other seeder at another time. Get that dropped off. Whoops, there's a pole. Let's grab this trailer. Wow, is it me or is these tractors getting rocky? And they have a gas gauge, but they don't have a maintenance gauge. So you can rest right there. Hey, let's look up while we run. Alright, buddy, come on out and start your stuff. And I couldn't even begin to tell you how many swath paths were dropped using the old header, so. Whoops. Are you square to the field? Now you are. Okay, cool. Let's see. Unfold. Nice. Okay. Enable straw swath. Because we're going to need it to get bedding for the cow shed. So, worker off. And my loading wagon is still over yonder at the BGA. We'll grab that after we get this harvest worried about. And we still got plenty more silage to sell. So, and how far are you getting? Awesome. All right. Whoops. just detach that. Alright, let's go do some contracts. But, oh, you know what? We need to get, yes, I know a grass field. Yes, I know field 19 is like only like somewhere around $50,000-$60,000. But, you know, I forgot how much this field cost. Field 11 here. We'll see how much field 11 is. And if we can afford it, we'll get it. Because I'm looking to get another grass field, believe it or not. Nope. Try again some other time. Bye-bye. Okay. And we are here at field 12. How about that? Nice. See how much this is. We might have to pack everything up here shortly. Because apparently selling silage is a lengthy process. Ooh, just out of reach. Okay. I don't know, maybe field 17 would be a wise choice. Wrong button. Oi, that's yush. Well, that's closer to reach than field 12 was. And I think field 10 here was like 117,000, something like that. $117,000 even. Huh, you know what? Let's buy this field and unload the harvester. Watch the tractor slide past the sell point. And, ooh, 87,000. Okay. Oh, I thought we could afford this field. Oh, bucket straps. Should actually probably leave this tractor here. So that way it can remind me to mow the grass in the next episode. So we'll park you right here. How you getting on? Nice. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take a ride with the harvester here for a quick second. And I gotta okay, I started the worker on field 5. Well, according to that, he's almost done, but yeah, my deepest apologies, guys. I gotta keep track of. I'm trying to keep track of how much is left because we're gonna have to end the video here shortly. I don't know. We might actually also end this episode when the worker gets done with this field too. so we can plenty enough time to play around with the harvester, unload some grain. Though it probably wouldn't hurt to sell a full cart either, so yes, I know you guys don't like most of you don't like driving in crops, and it's not realistic, but you know, everyone's got their own play style, so and I've actually looked up how many liters are in a ton, that kind of thing, and you think I could remember? I can't remember for the life of me, to be honest. Alright. Trailer's full. Alright, how are we going to look after this? Alright. Just a little over $4,500, I guess. Because I think it looked like a 49, but anyway. Alright, how you doing over there? Let's pop over, see this guy. And you, let's see. One, two, three, four, five passes yet to do. So let's get this back to the yard. If you did those kinds of missions where you use a tipper trailer and they're like looking for 44 tons of weed or something like that, if you remember doing anything like that on oh crud, what is this, 15 FS 15, would you comment below and let me know, because I haven't done it before and I was just wanting to know at least a little something before I go and dive right into it. I mean, I'll probably just dive right into it anyway, but if you could comment below, give me a little heads up, that'd be appreciated. Since you're good here, I think this was what, your second pass from since I left you? Your second pass? Alright. Uh, 52.5 minutes, and I got an hour only of recording time on my PlayStation 4, or the wife's PlayStation 4. Does anyone besides me get the feeling that it's gonna wind up being like that one? I think it was a couple episodes, like 2 episodes ago, where I was starting to talk real fast. Probably doing it right now, but talking real fast towards the end of the episode and barely understood a word I said. Yeah, this is starting to feel like that again. But I am happy I did sell some silage, finally. We have canola just in front of us that's going to be ready shortly. Probably another day or two if I wanted to danger a guess. This field is being canola as we speak. But once this worker is done, I'm gonna take him back to the yard. And in the next episode, I'll have the other tractor come back, grab the seeder that's still sitting over there in the opposite corner, and I'll do a couple more selling sessions of silage. Alright, buddy, we're going to set you right here since you're done. And we're gonna... Whoa, let's watch where we're heading here. But we still have a few minutes yet. I want to get this harvester emptied before I do end up ending the series, or not ending the episode. So yeah, just took a snapshot. I don't know if you heard that little notification noise, but the harvester is off. We have another full-ish trailer. It's only 99%, so ish enough. Let me get you off the field. Alright, you're good there. Gonna ride around with the harvester, and we got about a minute left, so I'll see you guys in the next episode. I'm out. Peace.